All right, so let's open up the profile screen. So to bring the profile screen, we have to create a new profile screen. Let's go here and create a new screen over here, like name it as profile screen.jsx. Once we finish that profile screen, then that's it. We are done with this project. RNFE. So save these changes. All right, so let's jump to the app.jsx. So my laptop is hanging a little bit. Oh god. Where it is. So I need to go to the index.js first. So wait a second, let me stop the simulator and let me reopen it one more time, because I think two simulators are running at behind, so that's the reason it's hanging a little bit. So let me stop this. Stop it. All right, so now it's stopped, and let me open it. So that will open the simulator. So it's opening the simulator. Let it open. So let's go to the app.jsx and let's copy it from here and paste it, and let's give it as profile screen. Copy it and paste it over here. Okay, so now we added the profile screen in our app.jsx. So my simulator is also ready. So let me start the application one more time. So yarn start. All right, so we're having some warnings over here. At the end, we need to update all these packages. That's the warning. Okay, so let me open the simulator now. So here type open iOS. So that is opening the iOS Expo app over here. So it is opening up. So the initial boot will take some time. So let's go to the profile screen. Let's save these changes and let's jump into the profile screen. So we need to customize the profile screen, right? So let's do the customizations for the profile screen. So let's have a look for the profile screen first. So it's not that much tough. It's easy. We can finish it much faster. All right, we got that ID and we have that. So now when you tap this, we need to navigate this user to the profile screen. So let's go to the home screen first, and we have this profile over here. On press, I'm going to call this navigation option, navigate the user to the profile screen. Let's go to the copy it and let's paste it over here, so that if you tap this, so that will takes you to the profile screen. Now look at that. Now we are in the profile screen. So let's come over to the profile screen. So first I'm going to bring the safe area view. So I'm just going to bring the safe area view over here. So then let me close this, the safe area view, and I need to import this safe area view from the React Native package like that. So first I need to bring the icons. So I'm going to bring the top icons over here, these two icons. So basically that is going to be in a single view. We need to bring the two different icons. So let me import that touchable opacity. Then I need to get the navigation object, const navigation equals to use navigation object. All right, and I need to import the material icons as well, and as well as I need to import this encrypto icon also. Save the changes. Now I can able to see those two different icons. All right, so now I need to get the user object as well, because we need to display the user data only. So let's get the user data over here, paste it, and I need to import these two user data. All right, so now we have the user data. So next I need to bring this profile information. This is the profile section. So let's go ahead and bring that profile section. So profile. So first we need to bring the image and everything. So for that, let's create a view. So basically this view is going to be item center and justify center. All right, inside here I need to bring that image and as well as the email and everything. So let me copy and paste it over here, just like same as usual what we did for the image in the other screens. I copied it from there, and the text for the displaying the user full name and the email address. Save the changes. So you should able to see that if you fix this error. So import the image. So now if I tap this, you can able to see that. And actually the problem is full name, spelling mistake. All right, so now I can able to see that over there. Cool. So then what we need to do is, right after this profile section, we need to bring the icons section. So these icon sections, we need to bring these icon sections. So for that is going to be initially, that is going to be one complete view. So let's bring that. And inside this, I need to bring that 4 different icon sets, just like the same way. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create a view first, class name, and that is going to be item center and justify center. And inside that, I'm going to bring that touchable opacity icon and as well as the message of it. So bring it, material icons, bring the touchable opacity, save these changes. Now we can able to see that icon over here. So now, just like the same way, I'm just going to copy this entire section and I'm going to paste it for 3 more times. Save it. Now I can able to see all these things. Then I'm just going to change the icons. The second one is going to be the video call. So this is the second one. I'm going to bring the video call icon from the icons, import it, and this is going to be video call. Save the changes. Now we can able to see the video call. And the third one is going to be call option, and that is also going to come from the icons. And that is going to be the call option. And the fourth one is going to be the more option, which is a vertical dot. And this is coming from n typo, and that is going to be more option. Save the changes. Now we have that 4 different icons over there. All right, so right after this view, we need to bring that the media's shared option. This is the media's shared. Later, once you added the dynamic sections, you can bring that dynamic sections over here. All right, so I'm just going to make this view class name is going to be width, of course it's going to be full, px is going to be 6, and space y it's going to be 3, enter. And then inside here I need to bring the media's, this is the entire section, so inside here we need to bring this media section now. So let's create one more view, and this is going to be class name, width full, flex row, direction, item center and justified center. And here I need to bring those 2 text over here, just like that. You can see problem is it's not taking full width. Why? It's not taking the full width, e.g. red or something. It's taking the full width. Item between, not center. That's the problem. All right, okay, so now it's fine. So then right after here, now we need to bring that images and everything. So basically all those images I bring it from directly from the server online. Right now I'm not using any backend functionalities for those things. So maybe in future for your upgrade you can able to do those items shared and everything. We'll try to do it on the next video, in the video 2.0, including all those image sharing options and everything. All right, so I'm just going to bring all those images one after another over here. So let me bring the image 1. So you guys please pause the video, and you can able to copy this code or copy this code directly from the description below, and you can paste it over there. So that will brings the image over here. This is the image number 1. Then I need to bring the image number 2. Again, the same thing, just like that. Then again, one more thing. Inside here, I'm having one more view to display like the images over there, like this, just like that. So now we have that images over there. So right after this, now what we need to do is I need to bring those settings options. So these settings are going to be like I'm going to open a view. For this view, I'm going to add a class name. So if you have a look at that view, we can wireframe it like this is the entire view, and inside this we're having this as a view and this as a separate icon, right? So inside here, let's create one more view over there, view, and inside this view, let's change this as a flex row, item center. Then here I need to bring that material icon and the text for the privacy. So material icon and the text for the privacy. Then right after this view is ending over here, I need to bring that chevron icon. All right, so let's save these changes. Now we can able to see the privacy over here, just like that. So this is that view. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it for how many times? Like groups, medias and downloads, accounts. Groups, medias and downloads, accounts. So this is going to be the groups. This is going to be medias and downloads. And this is going to be the accounts. And icons, everything is going to be different. I'm going to replace the icons. Then for the medias and downloads, and then for the accounts, save the changes. Now you should be able to see all these accounts and everything. And at last, finally, I need to bring the one touchable opacity, because that is for logout option. So here, inside here, I need to bring the text, and I'm just going to say logout. So this touchable opacity is going to have a certain class names, and then for the text style in it, I'm going to add some styles for it, just like that. And on press, I'm just going to call the logout option logout, or we can simply say handle logout. Copy this, scroll to the top and create const handle logout is equals to. Okay, so then what we need to do is we need to keep this method as an async method. Inside here, I'm just going to say await Firebase auth dot sign out, open it, dot then we'll call a callback function. I need to dispatch it. So const dispatch, because we need to remove the user from the store as well. So const dispatch is equal to use dispatch hook, use dispatch. Then here I'm just going to use the dispatch method to dispatch as set underscore null user object as a null. And finally, I'm just going to say navigation dot replace it with login screen. Save the changes. So now if I tap this, that user will be logged out and it will be replaced. Again, I need to log in over here. So all I have to say is admin@gmail.com, admin@123, sign in. That will takes you to the home screen. Here we go. So here, if I tap this, that will takes me to the chat screen. and I can able to create a new chat. Hey there, enter, so that will send that chat message over there. So finally we finished our project. So I hope you excited and you enjoyed this session throughout this complete video session. And if you have any questions or any doubts, anything, just drop me the questions in the comment box. I will so happy to help you there. All right, I'll see you on in the next upcoming projects.